pilots left pretty dead gone to me.
C-17. And he's turning around. Yeehaw! P-51. P-51. Back there's P-51. P-51. If I'm naming all these right. Let's just zoom out here. Look at them all. There's those two propellers way back there. The farthest one. And the way far one. There's another. One of the people's head. If you can see it by the blue tent. Another P-51. All them. There's one with the shiny prop. Yeah, you can see it. The shiny prop. Another P-51. C-17's coming back around. If I can friggin' find it, what the heck? Hey, tents? Right above the tents? There he is! Yeehaw, right above us. He gonna land? Holy crap. Where'd he go? There he is.
It's coming down for landing.